What's up, everybody? My name is Jarrett. You're watching the Vega Performance, and today you're going to be seeing a little bit of an unboxing video. And I guess we can just get right into it, but I do want to say I have been collecting parts for this Miata build I ordered about $500 worth of parts the other day. It's basically 80% of it. Well, actually, no, I'll take that back. 50% of everything I needed to get this whole thing done. I got the clutch pedal, the PPF, and the drive shaft. And I already put in the clutch pedal in the car today after work, so that's already in there. I have to relocate some wires and boxes and stuff like that for electronics. I have to figure out what it is and where to put it because I haven't figured that out yet. But we'll have to move that. I've already got the clutch pedal in, like I said. I've already cut the brake pedal, and I'm just gonna tell y'all what I did. That's simple stuff. You basically cut the left side of the pedal down, aligned with the actual the leg of the pedal. So you cut it in line on the left side, and then that way you have room for your clutch pedal. So now I have clutch, brake, and gas. So I'm very happy about that. And I've actually refurbished. If you haven't seen my Instagram or any of my other YouTube videos, I actually refurbished that whole assembly and put it inside the car. So it's painted. Everything's pristine on it. Everything's re-oiled. Everything like that, ready to go. It's working like a charm. At 90 from a 92 model, I can use it for my NB, which is a 2002 model. So like 20 something years old, 27, 26, 27 years old. And that part was all rusty, and now it looks just factory brand new. So I was happy I did that. It's just a little bit of an extra touch just to make sure everything looks nice. So, anyways, now we have a lot more to talk about. I have all my addresses and everything flipped over so nobody will, go and try to find me. Even though I'm in like Nashville area of Tennessee. Let's go ahead and check this out. This is gonna be like a one take video, just basically showing exactly what's going on. And plus, editing is not necessary for stuff like this unless I really want to make a funny unboxing video with a bunch of views. I don't really care. This is just going to get straight to the point and show y'all what's up. So I got a stage 2 clutch, and it comes with a bunch of other stuff, which I have not opened this yet, and I am very, very excited to see what's in here. Oh, I can hear it. We're going to put that to the side. Put this to the side. And this has got, ooh, I'm not going to touch it, but that's got my clutch in it. It's, I believe the spring, is stage 2. I forget exactly what this is called, but it's a sprung clutch. I think that's exactly what it's called, a sprung clutch. So the sprung clutch actually makes it a little bit easier for you to use as a daily clutch. So it's a little bit more forgiving, and that gives a little bit more. I didn't care as long as it was around the price range that I needed it. That's all I cared about for this. So it's the perfect price range. I got this whole kit for around $180 maybe. And it came with the alignment tool. It came with, is that alignment tool messed up? No, it's good. Okay, but for some reason they sent me a plastic alignment tool, but I guess it really doesn't matter because, as long as it's not chewed up, it's going to do the same job. It gave me a bearing, so I believe there's a bearing inside the transmission that I need to replace. I forgot what it's called, but I know what it is, so that's cool. I'm happy about that. This must be exactly what I think it is. Sometimes I forget the name of these parts. Yeah. This is the, basically, this moves with, oh yeah, here you go. This is the clutch fork. My transmission did not come with a clutch fork. This is needed to be able to engage and disengage the clutch. Slave cylinder pushes onto this right here, and then it pivots within the transmission. So pivots like this, and basically engages and disengages. This is the throwout bearing, and this is just a regular bearing that is actually on one side of the shaft that It's just like a controlling bearing that keeps everything in place and makes sure it's not weeble wobbling and stuff like that. So yeah, so I'm excited. I got all this. Usually this is like 30 something bucks, and this is like 20 bucks, and this is alignment tool is like 10 bucks or 20 bucks. I got this for like 20 bucks, and usually this is like 40 or 50 plus. And it's actually OEM clutch fork, made by Mazda parts. That's the code number. Anyways, so yep, there's that. And then let's see what else we got here. Of course, I'm going to open this up. I don't care about opening this up and getting it dirty, because I'm actually going to be spraying it with a brake parts cleaner regardless. Or anyways, so let me get this out. Sorry, you're facing the ground. It's like a 2013 freaking unboxing video, whatever. Here you go. Here's the clutch. Other than the edges kind of looking slightly beat up, I don't know how I feel about that. It's only on the edge. It looks like it was kind of thrown around and shit. I don't know how I feel about that. That doesn't tickle my my fancy, or yeah, whatever it's called. That's fine. It's whatever. As long as it's not gonna change anything performance based or just dailyable. All right, let me get this out too. Oh. Oh yeah. Here we are. Okay, so this is a Lighten flywheel, even though I was grunting whenever I picked it up. This is a Lighten flywheel. As you can see, drill, blah, blah, blah. And then these bolts actually go into here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 bolts into basically the shaft that comes out of the engine and spins it's like the crank. And this goes and bolts right onto that, and then all of this connects together in one big assembly. And yeah, so I have not actually personally put a clutch together, but this will be my first time, and I'm very excited, very excited. I'm doing all this myself. I'm paying for everything myself. Daddy isn't paying for this, and yeah, I've just been fortunate enough to be able to do this by myself. Here's another thing. I have the boot for this. So basically, this goes into the transmission, so that it's like a dust boot. It just keeps out all the dust and debris and stuff like that, which is what I want for an OEM plus kind of rebuild and trans swap. And then here's the tail shaft seal. So basically, this is the tail shaft seal. This is actually what the drive shaft connects into. It's like the seal for the drive shaft. And here's the part number. There's a part number. Genuine parts from Mazda. Here's the other part number. So there you go. And then I also got this right here. This is yeah, so this is, like I said, the rear main seal and everything like that, so that's cool. And then here's the clutch, master, and slave cylinder. I don't really want to open this up right now. Y'all will see whenever I do the install. So clutch, master, slave cylinder, and clutch lines. And then in this, we got, see if we can not show my information. Yeah, sharp knives for the win. That's how we do it. Just cut up the carpet, why don't you? Hey! Alright, cool. So we got this right here, and this is the chrome red for head turners vinyl. So let's see how this turns out. I don't know if this color is exactly what I wanted, but we'll try it out and see what they say. Sorry, this is just kind of a side note. I've been making vinyls for head turners for a little bit, so boom. Alright, there you go, guys. That's everything so far. I am very excited for this. I don't know when exactly I'm going to be doing this. Hopefully soon. I'd really want to get this manual swapped as soon as possible just so I can have fun, do the break-in period before spring. I mean, I'll have the break-in period done in like 2 weeks, so that's good. I just don't want to beat on it or do anything crazy. I need to get this clutch and everything set in place and everything kind of get worn in correctly. So we'll see how it goes, guys. Thanks, guys, for watching. Again, like, subscribe, do all that stuff, whatever. Trying to get my name out, trying to get my builds out, and it'd be really nice to be able to have some support. And hopefully in 2 years, I'm putting this out there. 2 years, I'll be at SEMA with the Nissan Altima, LS swap, roll cage, 10-point, 350Z front subframe, 370Z rear subframe, CD09 trans, 350Z drive shaft, Collins adapter for the CD09 trans, 5.3 liter with a twin turbo or single turbo, just depending on what happens. And then I decided I kind of wanted to have a wide body kit and 4 seats. So that's a big build. That's a lot of designs. That's a lot of ideas. That's a lot of everything all at once. But it's very capable, or very possible of doing it. Me and maybe some of my friends are capable of doing it. I might need a little bit of extra help, but personally, I have all the designs and everything ready to go. I have the dimensions, all the roll cage dimensions, tubing, whatever, design. All that is ready to go and is prepared correctly. So I've been working really hard for the past 2 years or so, kind of off and on. Past 4 years doing CAD, past 2 years kind of have an idea of what I want to do with cars. And last year I got into car meets, and that's what boosted me and to where I am now. So this past year has been wild. It's been a great adventure. I'm going back to Discount Tire because I think that's the best place for me. And I'm just going to make a career there and move on with life and see what I can do. So thanks guys for watching. I appreciate you watching again. I know I keep saying it. I know not many people are watching it, but one day this will pay off. One day everybody will see this and not call me crazy anymore for wanting to do this Ultima build and the Miata build and spending all my money on these things, because I think one day, with all the knowledge I'm obtaining by myself, I have a great ideas and stuff like that. One day it will pay off, and putting all this time and money and effort into all this and making people understand, or trying your best to make other people understand, it's kind of hard, but we'll get there. Just ride along, and we'll see where we get. So I'll see you later. Peace out.